And that's why tonight we're going off the charts with the help of Larry Williams. He's the legendary technician and market historian who's been the top expert in the space since before I could drive. Larry's written over a dozen books and created a host of his own proprietary technical indicators, which you can find on his website, ireallytrade.com. You ought to go. It's fantastic. Plus, he's only getting better with age, as his recent track record's incredible. This is the guy who called the COVID bottom in the spring of 2020 when Wall Street was ready to jump out of the windows, okay? He called the big January rally at the beginning of this year. He realized the NASDAQ was ready and nailed the Netflix move, which, by the way, rallied 31 points today.
If you're a Tesla investor, then this is one update that you don't want to ignore. Tesla's stock price is already headed towards $200, but a recent prediction states that the stock may go up even higher. Take a look and find out more.
Now let's go to these charts. Williams is always looking at the past action in any given stock to identify cycles that seem to repeat themselves over and over again, which they do. And Tesla sees both a long-term cycle and an intermediate-term cycle. You can see the longer-term cycle. That's the one in blue. This is a 42-month cycle. Tesla's major highs and lows have all pretty much stuck to this pattern ever since the stock began trading. Why does it matter? Okay, because right now the long-term cycle's looking pretty darn good. It bottomed near the end of last year, which is when the stock stopped going lower, right? And if history's any guide, this pattern says Tesla can keep rallying through the second quarter of next year. Rather than worrying about the next 12 months, Williams recommends buying the dips, although you might want to lighten up on your position into any of the big rallies. But look at this. You see where this is headed. Williams was so right on Netflix. This is the same kind of feel that I got about that call that he made on Netflix. Now, speaking of big rallies, he says Tesla's due for one right now, right here, because there's another cycle that matters, the intermediate-term cycle, and that's in red. According to Williams, when Tesla gets to this phase in the cycle, historically it's rallied 80% of the time from right about now through early September. 80%, I will take that. I can't tell you why these cycles seem to repeat themselves. I can't explain why they often lead to successful trades. I can only point you to Larry's amazing data, because you can't argue with that kind of track record, and you can't argue with his data.
Longtime stock investor Larry Williams recently disclosed that Tesla may be on its way to make massive gains, despite the uncertain market conditions. Tesla's stock price has not been stable since the year began, with the stock performing rather upwards and downwards. There have been claims that this may be changing soon though, and Tesla investors may have something big on the way. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Tesla, the renowned electric car manufacturer, has already made significant strides in the automotive industry and is poised to continue its impressive performance in the future. Several factors contribute to Tesla's potential for success, making it a frontrunner in the EV market. Its strong foundation built on technological innovation, sustainable transportation, charging infrastructure, brand recognition, vertical integration, global expansion, and continuous improvement positions the company for ongoing success in the future. With its visionary leadership, commitment to sustainability, and ability to adapt to market demands, Tesla is well equipped to shape the future of the automotive industry and maintain its status as a leader in the EV market. Could this be the key to a $400 stock price in 2023? Keep watching to find out more. But before we get on with it, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Larry Williams is a long-time investor who has taught thousands to trade the markets and has been the only futures trader in the world to repeatedly trade $1 million of his own money. In 1987, Larry R. Williams won the World Cup Championship of Futures Trading, managing to make $1,100,000 with a starting investment of just $10,000. This incredible success was achieved in 12 months and was based primarily on Larry's groundbreaking futures trading methods. And now he predicts that Tesla stock, which has been a top gamer in the past, will once again be worth a very high price, probably $400. And he thinks that's going to happen this year. Similarly, Brett Winton, who is the head of research at ARK Investment Management, has stated that with higher production rates in the next quarters, Tesla's stock price could go as high as $400 this year. According to Winton, Tesla is at least 3 to 4 years ahead of the industry in driving transition to EV, and the car company will continue to drive down cost as they increase production. They are also going to be releasing new models and products in subsequent years, so that in the near future, Tesla will be able to sell every car and product that it manufactures. As concerns about climate change and environmental sustainability continue to rise, the demands for electric vehicles is expected to surge. Tesla's core mission of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy aligns perfectly with this growing trend. With its focus on producing zero-emission vehicles, Tesla is well positioned to capture a significant market share as governments worldwide implement stricter emissions regulations and consumers increasingly prioritize environmentally friendly transportation options. Tesla has also demonstrated a relentless pursuit of improvement in its products, manufacturing processes, and customer experience. The company has a track record of launching regular software updates, enhancing vehicle performance, and addressing customer feedback. This commitment to continuous improvement not only ensures that Tesla actually stays ahead of its competitors, but it also creates a strong sense of customer satisfaction and loyalty. Brett Winton believes that if Tesla successfully produces this low-cost EV, then it will once again set the standard for the EV market, just as it's done in the past with its previous models. The Tesla bull had previously given his take on innovation and how this can be a massive edge for companies. He had pointed towards the similarities between innovation now and emerging market investments. Tesla has established itself as a market leader in technological innovation within the automotive industry. The automaker's commitment to advancing battery technology, electric drivetrains, and autonomous driving capabilities sets it apart from traditional automakers by continually pushing the boundaries of what is possible, and Tesla maintains a competitive edge as it is well positioned to capitalize on future advancements. Winton said that there is a lot to expect from Tesla in the coming years, and that there could potentially be an increase in the car company's demand and, in the long run, its stock price. He particularly expects that if Tesla can achieve full self-driving, then that is going to be huge for the automaker. Tesla's vertical integration strategy, encompassing vehicle manufacturing, energy storage, and solar energy solutions, gives the company a unique advantage by controlling various aspects of the EV ecosystem. Morgan Stanley's Adam Jones believes that Tesla can thrive in the competitive EV market. He said that players who are self-funded, with demonstrated scale and relatively low costs throughout the supply chain, like Tesla, can actually be relative winners in the EV space. While speaking on Tesla's stock's sell-offs as an attractive entry point for investors, Jonas stated that between a worsening macro backdrop, record high unaffordability, and increasing competition, there are still hurdles to overcome. He added that his firm believes that in the face of all of these pressures, Tesla will widen its lead in the EV race, as it leverages its cost and scales advantages to further itself from the competition. Morgan Stanley had previously named Tesla one of its 3 top picks for 2023. After citing the car company's growth in the future and opportunities that come with that. Despite Tesla's recent challenges with its stock valuation, the investment firm still sees Tesla's stock as an opportunity for value growth. The car company can optimize production, reduce costs, and create synergies between its different business units. This integration approach positions Tesla to capitalize on the broader transition towards renewable energy and smart grid technologies. It also has the charging infrastructure. One of the main concerns for EV adoption has to be the availability of charging infrastructure. Tesla has addressed this challenge by investing heavily in its supercharger network, which provides fast and convenient charging stations all over the globe. The extensive supercharger network gives Tesla an advantage over its competitors, as it eliminates range anxiety and provides peace of mind to Tesla owners, enabling long-distance travel with ease. Tesla has cultivated a strong brand image and enjoys a loyal customer base. The company's commitment to quality, performance, and cutting-edge technology has garnered a dedicated following. Tesla owners often become enthusiastic advocates for the brand, driving word-of-mouth recommendations and contributing to a positive reputation. This brand recognition and customer loyalty provide Tesla with a significant competitive advantage and bode well for its future success. Tesla's global expansion efforts have been remarkable, with its vehicles now available in numerous markets worldwide, as EV adoption increases globally. Tesla is well positioned to capture a significant portion of this growing market. The company's ability to adapt to different regulatory environments, establish local manufacturing facilities, and then build partnerships with local stakeholders sets it apart from many competitors. Other Tesla bulls like James Stevenson are positive that this will be a good year for Tesla. Speaking of profitability, James Stevenson previously noted that earnings growth matters most to investors. And this is in fact true. Investors are motivated to bet on a company that shows good signs of profitability and has a convincing earnings record. This is probably where Tesla has a significant market advantage. However, while there is so much bullishness on the stock, it's important to note that these are only predictions and they do not guarantee the stock price, so make sure to do your own research before you invest. What do you think about Tesla stock right now? Let us know down below in the comments section. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.